Let's go ahead and start immediately with creating a blog. Move your mouse to this point. I believe you can see here. Move your mouse here, Google Apps, and click on Google Apps. At this point, there are many things that will be open at the same time. We have some bunch of things here. The first one is your account settings. So you can always go to your account. You can always the Google search, the Google map, YouTube, Play Store, Google News, Gmail account, your Google Drive, your calendar, Google Plus, Google Translate, and photos. Now we need Google for Business. I will still take us on Google Play, Google YouTube, and Google Drive. Because when you are building your blog, you need Drive and you need YouTube so that you can play videos from YouTube on your blog, and you can also upload files to your Drive so that people can download them straight from your blog. Now we need Google for Business. Move your mouse down here where you have more. On some videos or on some browsers, this will open automatically, but if yours didn't open, go ahead and click on more. So when you click on more, you have these 4 things here: your docs, Google eBooks, blog, contact, hangout, and keep. What we need is blog. Move your mouse to blog and click on blog right now. Because I've clicked on my blog, the blog opens another tab automatically, and this is the beautiful window we have to create our own blog. So Google blog is very beautiful. So from here, what we need is to move our mouse to this point called create your blog. I'm going to take this back again. Before we go over creating our blog, I want to put this down so that we see how beautiful Google looks. So you can get a free domain, you aim on your blog, know your audience, hang onto your memories by using your videos and your photos. So join millions of others, whether sharing your expertise, breaking news, or whatever on your mind. You are in good company on Blogger. So sign up to discover why millions of people have published their passions here. So we know that you can use blog to do lots and lots of things, but in this case, we're building an educational site on blog. So go ahead and hit on create your account right now, or create your blog and not account. All right. So to continue, first verify it is you. Google is highly secured. I'm going back to put my password. I will click next. This is the password I put when I created my Gmail account. So you should always know your own password. I hope that is very understandable. Now, I have welcome to Blogger. You can go over here and change your language, but I'm using English, United Kingdom. Confirm your profile. The profile that readers will see when they view your posts is shown below. Use Google Plus profile, so you can create a Google Plus account for that. So profile options, create Google profile, Blogger profile. So first of all, I don't want to go ahead and start creating Google Plus because we are not talking about Google Plus here. So let me go ahead and create a limited blogger profile. Click on this. You'll be seen as blogger name. I'll be seen as George Steve. Share your post with the word of Google Plus. Upgrade to Google Plus profile. Because I have taken this step by step. I don't want to use my Google Plus profile. You can create your own Google blog, Google Plus, so that you will be able to share with millions of people in the world. So, continue. I'll go ahead and click on continue to Blogger. As this loads, I want to tell us that the importance of creating Google Plus accounts is to enable us to have millions of our posts shifted to more people, because the social networking site is what helps you to get millions of visitors on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. Okay, it always pops up some millions of things. European Union laws requires you to give European Union visitors information about cookies used on your blog. In many cases, this law also requires you to obtain consent. As a courtesy, we have this on your blog to explain Google's use of certain bloggers and Google cookies, including use of Google Analytics and AdSense cookies. You are responsible for confirming that this notice actually works for your blog and that it is displayed. If you employ other cookies, for example by adding third-party features, this notice may not work for you. You can learn more about this notice and your responsibilities. So, at this point, you are not an author or blog yet. Create a new one to start. So you can now create a blog. You can click down here and create a new blog, because at this moment no blog has been created. So what we need to do is move over to this point, new blog, and click here. You can see new blog, and move over and click on new blog. I'm going to take this back again. At this moment, this window opens for you. Create a new blog. Yes. Account. The title of my blog is going to be GST World Academy. GST World Academy. Alright. Address. This will be gstworldacademy.blogspot.com. Okay, I hope we've got it right. So this blog address is a variable. That means it has not been chosen. Remember, I am using something different, something people have never used before, so that I don't run into problem of choosing too many blogs name in my course. Alright, the next one is to choose the theme. The theme will help you to always move in accordance and begin to make changes. I hope that you understand what it means. But if you don't understand, no problem. I will take you step by step for you to know what these things means. The first one is the Contempo theme. This is Contempo theme. The Contempo theme is the recent release of the themes by Google. It's very beautiful and is too awesome. The next one is the Zoho theme. The Zoho theme is among the new release of the themes by Google. The next one is the Emporio theme. You have Notable, you have dynamic themes, we have simple themes. If we click down here, we have some awesome themes that are very beautiful. Now, because we are going to build a new blog, I will love us to use the Contempo theme. because this is the new release from Google. It will help you to be able to follow up with the latest type of Google blog themes, and it will going to make you a kind of super expert as well. So go ahead and hit on Contempo theme, which has been selected for you already. The next thing you need is that you can browse many more themes and customize your blogs later. That is the more information here. You can move your mouse right now to create blog. You can see that. So the next thing we need is to click on create blog, and you can see GSTWorld is about to be created right now. Okay, we've succeeded in creating a blog. The next thing we need is to go ahead and start modifying our blog step by step. I will be taking you one after another. So now that you've created blog, and the next is to go ahead and start to design our blog one by one. I will say, welcome to Web Developers Tools by George Steve.